Welcome to my channel Life in the Matrix, and recently I've been posting cooking hacks. A very common question I get is, how do you make millets like rice? And I've got two ways of doing it. One is using a cooker like this one, a rice cooker, and sometimes I use a pressure cooker. I've got an old pressure cooker from some time, and I'm going to make some millets like rice. For the pressure cooker version, I'm going to use Kodo millets, and I'm going to use little millets for making it in the rice cooker, just to show that they cook identically, except for pearl millets, which takes a lot more water. Kodo and barnyard, which are the principal two crops that we are growing in the Philippines, but we are also growing pearl. So I'm going to just show you how to make uh, millets like how you would cook rice. So I'm going to take 1 cup of Kodo millets. I like unpolished millets, but this one's polished. Unfortunately, that's the only one I have at this moment to make this video. So then what I did was I gave it a wash once, and it's running kind of clear, and I put about this much of water. It's just a little more than a cup of water. Well, if you watch a lot of these channels, cooking channels, cooking with millets, they'll tell you that you've got to soak millets for hours together, or 20 minutes or 30 minutes. And some say that you've got to soak it overnight and all of that stuff. And I just say throw that advice out the window. For me, I've never ever had to do that. All I've had to do is prepare the millets like this, give it a wash, and it's ready to cook. No soaking, no waiting, no wasting of time. You just don't need that. That's my opinion. And it's time to turn on the flame. I start off with a high flame, and when it's about to come to a boil, I turn it usually into a medium flame and let it cook. And I should monitor that. This is the pressure cooker whistle. It might give me an indication of when it is cooked. So I try for 2 whistles this time. And here comes the second whistle. And now I let it sit for a while and let the pressure dissipate. Turn off the burner there, and once the pressure has dissipated and it's safe for me to open the lid, we'll check it out. Join me then. So from the time I set fire to the pot here, to the pressure cooker, until the second whistle was 7 minutes. FYI. 20 minutes total from the time I put it in to the time it gave me 2 whistles, and then I let it rest. So in 20 minutes I have Kodo millets rice made in a pressure cooker. Next you will see little millets made in this rice cooker, and I will use 1:1 ratio for that. See you there. Now, what I've chosen today is little millets. I've never tried that before, and they look like this. This is organic and has most of it unpolished, which is the way I like it. Like all other coarse grain millets, this is very good in high fiber content, proteins, niacin, magnesium, iron, you name all the good things, it's in it. And it's fit for human consumption. Of course, it can be made into a wide variety of things. What I'm attempting to do now is make them like a millets rice that I can then mix with curries to eat for lunch or dinner. What you see here is a standard rice cooker, and I'm just going to add 1 cup of millets and 1 cup of water and see how that does. Consistency wise, it should be good. It's worked for me for Kodo millets and barnyard millets before. Let's try it with little millets this time. So now, while your version of millets could be different, I've chosen one which is organic and chemical free, and this is just after 1 wash. and I just did a very basic wash, and the water is very clear. So 1:1 is the ratio that I've used, and let's see as I stick it in this rice cooker. Just a standard rice cooker, and I'm going to show you the settings. Again, your rice cooker may have different settings. I'm going to choose white rice, although I put millets in it. And so you got jasmine and brown rice as options. Just go with normal brown rice, white rice or brown rice, it doesn't matter. And then go and push start. And let's see what happens in about 10 minutes. Fast forward 20 minutes later, 20 minutes over the 10 minutes that I mentioned. And it looks good. It looks completely cooked. Let's check it out. It's all done. Feels like rice. Let's give it a taste. I tell you what, many rice eaters, brown rice eaters particularly, will not know the difference, and this is so good. It has a nutty flavor to it, but very much fluffy and like rice, and will go great with any curry. I look forward to eating this for lunch, and I've got enough for dinner as well. Enjoy making your cup of millets. Like I mentioned before, I've tried this on Kodo, Barnyard, and this one's Little Millets, and they cook identical to rice, which is 1 cup of rice to 1 cup of water. In some cases, you may need a little more than 1 cup of water. I'll leave that to you. But right now, this is what works for me. And I hope this helps. See you on another episode. Thanks for joining me. Ciao for now.